Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix video not monetized because of copyright claim over a video on YouTube. Let me show you how. First thing first, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, make sure you go ahead and go to Play Store. Open up Play Store. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search. Then come to search app and game and go ahead and type in YouTube Studio. Then go ahead and hit on search, just like so. Just like so. Make sure you download and install this particular YouTube Studio app right here. After a successful installation, go ahead and hit on open. And if you are logging in for the first time, you will be asked to log in with your YouTube detail. That is your Google account, username, and password. Once you log in, it takes you to your channel dashboard. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on this notification icon. This will give you the details about the kind of copyright claim you have on your video. I'm going to use this particular one as an example. If I click on the notification detail, you see there are visibility restrictions on your video. Your channel is not affected. So go ahead and click on this and open the enrich detail. These are the number of countries that this video was blocked by the copyright owner. Just like so. And the video can be monetized. How can you fix this problem? Let's go. So go ahead and click on that to close the pop-up. You can see partially blocked. Now, when you have issue of copyright or whatever type of issue you have on your YouTube channel, always make reference to your YouTube Gmail account. For that, I'm going to access from my YouTube Studio right here. Then I'll go ahead and open up my YouTube Gmail account. Having opened up your Gmail account, it has to be the Gmail account that is associated to your YouTube channel. Go ahead and look for the message sent by Google regarding the copyright issue. Just like so. So I have it right here. Video cannot be monetized. So open up the content of the mail, then read the details, and then scroll down until you get to view all actions. So go ahead and click on view all actions. Let's go to redirect and open up this page right here. Then click on this, and what we want to do here is to see how we can fix it. So for that, go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. Partially block. Review issue. Go ahead and click on review issue right here. And it's going to take us right here. Then you can see under the review issue, these are the parts that is being affected. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. Then it's going to take you right here. Action you can take. You can trim out the segment. Dispute. If you think that the copyright is false, you can dispute it. The name of the content owner will be given. This content owner is MTV India. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on trim out segment. Just like so. Then you'll be given details about the affected area. If you are comfortable with it, simply go ahead and hit on save right here. Confirm changes. Edits are permanent and will take minutes to hours to apply. While the process, the correct video will show. Auto-double tracking will be removed and generated. Visibility or monetization restriction will be updated afterward. Go ahead and click on confirm changes. And you are done. YouTube is going to work on it, and you can see video editing in progress. YouTube is going to work on it and get back to you via your YouTube Gmail account and likewise your YouTube Studio notification dashboard. And your monetization will be restored back. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about YouTube topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.